In this video, I'll show you how to check your Roblox ban history. Now this is super simple guys, so let's get straight into it. First you want to open up roblox.com, and from in here what you want to do is simply press up here, go to help and safety. Now once you're on the help and safety you should see two options. One will be help center and the other one will be violations and appeals. You want to press on violations and appeals. From in here, you will be able to see all your ban history. Since I've never been banned, I cannot see anything in here. But if you got banned, you would be able to see your ban, the reasoning, as well as when it happened. You can check all your bans in violations and appeals, so it's super simple. Now, if there's something that you don't see in here that you know happened, you can simply contact the support and they'll tell you what it is. Now that's basically how it works, guys. It's really simple. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.